Hi guys, short video here about this EGOFIX 3/8 impact socket set with 50 pieces, and these 50 pieces I would say covers 99% of everything what I'm doing here at home. And so this could be the perfect starter set. How I've been starting, that was with a much smaller set, a metric short socket set without special tools, no extensions, no nothing. And so I bought this stuff over time, over the years, had to order more and more and more, went into do-it-yourself shops over and over till I had this set. But you can still see it's a huge mess just here in the box. And here we have everything, and everything is well organized. Comes with this really nice case. We have even some solid metal buckles, really nice, solid, also partial metal hinges. And so we can lift it up, take it with us, then put it down. And that's not a trick, not a scam. You can see when I open it, everything is still here exactly in the right place. That's what we want to see. And in the set we have short sockets, we have the long sockets, and all the sockets we have for the inches, and we also have them for the metric sizes. We have some extensions here, long 6-inch extension, shorter 3-inch extension. We have even this manual ratchet, left, right, and we even have this locking function. And if you're worried about 3/8 standard, there's absolutely no problem, because it comes with this adapter, 1/2 inch to 3/8. We even have this swivel adapter if you have an area which is hard to reach. Here I had to buy this extra. Here I have it already in the set. But even if you don't have either 1/2 inch or 3/8 impact driver or bits, you don't have to be worried. You are in the same situation as me. I'm having only a 1/4 inch driver and normal electric screwdriver or drill. And so for that we get also this 1/4 inch adapter. You can just pull it out, push it here inside. There's a lock, and then we can use any of these sockets here, push it here inside. Absolutely no problem. And of course, same thing with a normal electric screwdriver. Can also use it here, exactly same thing. And we have this ball bearing lock. You can see we have these open holes here. Works of course best with this manual ratchet here, where it's completely impossible to remove unless we push the button here, and then it's super easy, exactly how it should be. And regarding numbers and sizes, we have everything really nicely imprinted here in the front. Yeah, the parts have a little bit of oil and grease, but it's just a one-time thing to remove it. But what I wanted to show you is that we can also see the sizes from the back. We have this nice engraving which definitely lasts for a lifetime, and not only the print or especially the engraving are lasting for a lifetime, but definitely the whole set. Everything what we have here is really super solid, absolutely massive. And so I've already been using it and it worked perfectly. Not too tight, not too loose. Great fit for the nuts, great fit for the tools, extensions, adapters, everything. By the way, exactly this set here is available on Amazon for around $39. With the coupon now, normal price is $49. But there are also other sets available, smaller ones and even much larger ones. But I will put down the link of exactly this set here down into the description of the video, so you can check it out, or the one for you if you like, or a different one. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.